Hi. If you're like me, you use the fillet command many times during a day. I was surprised that I didn't know this shortcut that I'm going to share with you now. Here I am doing a basic curve return using the F spacebar, old school method of bringing up the fillet command and adjusting the radius dimension each time. I'm sure you guys have done this many times. But did you know if you want to switch to a zero measurement radius, you need only hold down the shift button when you're doing the fillet, and you don't need to reset it to a value of 0. Saves me a little bit of time. You'll need to change one system setting that's under MAPI options on the General tab. Deselect what's probably already selected, the shift left click image select, unless you're running raster tools and map design or whatever a lot. This won't impact your regular workflow. So for bread and butter line drafting, I think this is a good shortcut.